Hi, in this video, we'll see how to change a text date to a date format. Most of the times in Excel, we have dates entered in a column like this. And sometimes when we want to customize our dates and we go to the format options that is available here, and if we want put the month name like this, put in March to 2012. So with the month name, and if we try to click OK, the dates don't change. So there's something wrong with the format of this. If these dates are in the date format, they would change. But here the dates are in text format. But how do you identify this? First thing, whenever you want to customize the dates and they're not changing, that means the dates are in text format. So that is why Excel does not recognize the dates and you will not be able to change those dates into your customized format. So here's a trick to know whether the date is in a text format or in a date format. So let's use this formula for this one. The simple formula which is text, and use this reference cell here and then close the parenthesis and just enter. So this is formula is giving that whatever the data that is entered is in text format. So our date is in text format. And let's see for the other cells by copying down the formula. And here, only for cell 10, we haven't given any date here. But for all the dates which we have given with slash or with a hyphen, they're all in text format. So we have confirmed this using this formula. Now what we have to do is we have to convert the text format, okay, of the date into a date format or the number type. So first thing, you have to convert to number type, then you can format the cells using Control+1 button to the desired format that you want. So how to convert this? Use the date value formula. So the formula goes like this, is equal to date value, and you have to take the reference cell. The first one is done for us. So let's see how it is done. Enter the formula date value and click on this. You get the option with the parenthesis. Then take the reference cell and just put enter. So let's copy down these formulas now. Okay, so this is one cell that we're not going to do anything with this. Now we have these numbers. So we have converted into a number type. So this number type converting, that means we have got the value of this date, which is in text format. Please refer to my earlier video if you do want to have a clear understanding of what date value means. And if you have understood this, this will be very easy what date value is. So before watching this video, if you have not watched it, I would suggest you to go back to that video. Now we have converted it to all the date number type formats. Now we want to get in this format these number types into like a proper date format. And how do we do this? So here we can change it directly. So if we want to get it into this format, now you have to press Control+1, which is a shortcut, and then go to date, and then say you want this, right? This putting the date, the month number, and the year. So you just have to click OK. So everything is come in one pattern, and now you can see that the dates are on the right side of the column, but not on the left side, right? See, I can show you this clearly. Let's do the format. See, so this side, the same dates are towards the left side, and this side, the same dates are towards the right side. So this is confirming that the dates have been converted into a number type or the proper date format. So this is one of the methods that you can convert a text date to a date format. Now, the other method you can do is you can convert a date which is in text format using a date formula. So how can we do this? So this is the formula for date is equal to date. We'll take the year and the reference cell with the month and reference cell and at the day. So what we have done here, we have done the first one here. So let's do the second formula, how we got this. So let's enter date and click on the date option and then just press the year. So what's the year here? You have to take right year because we have not separated in separate columns. You have to take the year and then you have to specify this cell. From this, you have to extract the, okay, and give the parenthesis and then the month, right month, and then from which cell you want to extract the month from this cell, right? So again, you will give the parenthesis, the same cell, and then the day also you would want to extract the day also from the same reference cell. So again, click on this and just press enter. So what this is doing is it is taking each and every parameter, year, month, and day, and this date formula will now convert it into a proper date format. So let's press enter. Okay, we have to give one more parenthesis and we have made the correction. So this is how you, this one more parenthesis, last one. So this is how you, without any middle steps, okay, you can directly convert it, any dates which are in text format using the date formula. Okay, so let's drop down, copy down this formula. So this, the third method is that it's a, whenever you have, not every time you will encounter these type of uh, date formats, but you might also encounter these type of date formats where the month name is given and you want to change it. And again, this is also uh, is in a date form, text or not, we'll confirm it. So let's use is equal to text. Okay. So to confirm it whether it's in text format, is equal to text. Sorry, I'm sorry. Let's go back again. Is text T-E-X-T. Okay, we got this and take this reference cell and just press enter. So then again, we are getting that this is in date form in text format, right? So we have this and let's copy down the formula here and all the, let's see if all the dates are in text format. Yes, all the dates are in text format. Now we have to convert it into a date format. So first we can go to, what we can do is go to text to column. Okay, so let's do one thing. We will just remove all this here. We will separate month, date and year like this first. And let's delete this, which we have done. And what we'll do is we'll take this one and go to data tab and then go to text to columns. And here we've got delimited, okay, that we have to select. And then we can say space and comma. Okay, so there are four columns. See, I think there is a gap in front of the first, in front of April, June, and that is also one more column. It's separating it. So we'll click next and we'll say, okay, we don't, so there is a space here. We do not want this column. So we'll have to click do not import this column. We'll skip this and then go to this, okay, and convert it into date, DMY, and then go to the general, again convert it into date, and again go to the year and convert it into date. So in all the three columns will are formatted into date, DMY format, and then click finish. Okay, well, there is a reference cell that you want to give. You have to give, you want to give here in C27, right? So let's give C27 and finish. Yes. Okay, so we have got this in the month, date, and year formats. So we have separated it, but now we have to combine it into a date format. For that, we'll again use the same date formula which we have mentioned here, and let's see if we're going to get it. So here we can see that we have given the reference cells, taking the formula directly. Here we have because it's already in, we don't have to mention the year month because we have already separated it, right? So we'll directly take the cells. So let's do the formula and we have got a value error. And let's see for the second one is equal to date. And for the year, you have to select this cell month, okay, which is having the year. And then for the month, you have to select June, okay, that is C28. And then for the day, you have to select 3, which is D28, and close the parenthesis. And you're getting again the same thing. Though we have done DMY formatting, the Excel will not identify the E28 cell mainly. Sorry, the C28 cell, which is in the month, because it's in the month name. It's not in the month number. So we had to change this month name to month number. In such cases, what we do is we have to apply the month number formula, right? So let's press enter and just go here. Now, how do we get this month number formula? We have these months to be converted into month number formulas. For this, let's delete all this. Let's see how we got the this one is done for us. So the first one, we have taken month, and in that we have concatenated one with the reference cell. So reference cell here we have taken as C27, yes. So in this month number formula, we can just enter month and then write one and then give ampersand and then give the reference cell here, April. Okay, that is C27 and just click. So the month number is now coming here for the April. So you just have to again with the help of the left handle of the left mouse button, just drag the formula to copy down. So for June we got 6th and May and July we got 5th and 7th. So this now we have changed it to month number. And let's see if the date formula is going to work now. Is equal to date. And let's press year. Then for month we have to take this number. And for date we are going to take D34. And press enter. Yeah, we got this and it is on the right side of the column if you can see this. So these are the three methods. Now let's copy down the formula here and we got the all dates in the date format. Okay, you want to check this whether it's in a date format or not. Again, you use the same formula is equal to east test. Okay, east test. And we have the reference cell here and okay, we've got it. And we get false. That means this is not in text format, it is in number format. Okay, this I hope I have clarified all the answers. And you can choose any method that you like depending upon your requirement. And I hope if there are any doubts on how to convert this text date into a date format, please comment your doubts and I'll get back to you. Thank you.